Iran and China are set to sign a 25-year agreement on political, strategic and economic cooperation in Tehran today on Saturday. UN urges the UK not to make significant cuts in aid to Syria. In Myanmar, at least 16 people were killed when security forces opened fire on protesters in various parts of the country today on Saturday. China has rejected a so-called memorandum between Taiwan and the United States regarding maritime patrol. WHO seeks 10 million COVID jobs for poorer countries. In Afghanistan, 10 police personnel, including the police chief of the Sangin district, have been killed in a Taliban attack in the city of Lashkargah. 323 Kashmiris murdered by Indian troops during the 600-day siege. PM district officer to ensure attendance in meeting related to public complaints of Balochistan.